Got a hole in your favorite knitwear? We see that as an opportunity to get creative. This video will show you not only how to repair a hole in your knitwear, but how to make it more uniquely yours. All ready? Let's repair knitwear with a visible weave. This clever little technique is known as weave darning, a woven technique to strengthen and repair your knitwear. It can also be used for other fabrics like denim. It works by creating vertical and horizontal lines of thread that will overlock, just like in a traditional weave. This fancy fix is designed to be seen, so it's time to get creative. First up, think about what color thread you want to use. Do you want to disguise the repair or give it its moment in the spotlight? We're going bright and colorful with this one. Find the hole and flip it over so the wrong side is facing you. You can always use a darning support here if you need it. You could also use an orange. Thread your darning needle, making sure you have plenty of thread. Create small, even running stitches in a square surrounding the hole you want to mend. Not sure what that means? No problem. Watch our running stitch video for a helping hand. Leave about 15 to 20 millimeters around the hole to secure the area, as it will help as a support for the structure you're about to make. Your stitches don't need to be perfect. Your clothes just need to be worn again. Once you've got your running stitch box around the hole, begin creating vertical, elongated stitches starting at the edge of the square back and forth. Make sure to not pull or tighten these stitches. Once finished, thread your needle with another color, so you can start weaving horizontally. Bring your needle horizontally up and down through the vertical, elongated stitches you have created. Go under and over, alternating each row, catching a few threads of the garment at the start and end. Keep some tension for these stitches and make sure they are secure. A fork or a comb can be used to tighten each row, pushing back the thread you just weaved to make sure the stitches are sturdy and strong. Keep going until the hole is completely covered. Trim the excess thread and you're done. You now have something unique and ready to wear again. Congrats, you made it. Stay tuned for more Love It for Longer content, helping you get more from your wardrobe.